Hi, I'm Julie, a professional organiser and YouTuber just like Mia. I'll be popping in throughout her closet declutter video to guide her through the process, and I'll be sharing tips and tricks that you can use at home too.
I am a maximalist. I love, as you can see, sequins, bright colors, prints, more sequins, animal prints, leopard prints. I have fur in a different cupboard where I keep my heavy coats and jackets. This is mostly clothing and not outerwear. And there is another cupboard there.
I can see that you like variety. Paradoxically, when you've got an overcrowded space, it can feel like you've got nothing to wear. It's quite a narrow and deep wardrobe, and those high shelves are not very useful as is. Although storing occasional handbags up there, as you are, is a good idea because they're not used very often and you can sort of see them when they're at the front.
I want to start with the boxes on the side just to see what I'm going to keep and if I can use those boxes to put items I'm not using that are not in season, put those into the boxes to make space for more things into the wardrobe. I also do have on those top shelves some space to store those boxes, so that would be an idea.
Or because they're not very big, even maybe somewhere else altogether, like under the bed, again in a tub or box, or even like a space bag. Look, in an ideal world, we'd all have these beautiful big closets that we could see everything all at once. But in these smaller ones, we do need to sort of switch out the seasonal stuff, unfortunately. I'm the same with my wardrobe.
My wardrobe is kind of organized. There are sections for everything inside. The plan is to take one category out whenever I have the time.
First things first, you've got to declutter and sort of look at what you've got before we reset the space. So let's do that. And during the process, if there's an item that you neither love nor wear, it should go into a donate pile.
I did my pregnancy photo shoot in this robe and I'm still attached to it. I do find that sometimes I keep things and I know I need to let go, but I'm not there yet. So a lot of times I keep things and then when I'm ready to let go, I do let go. I'm not doing well. Julie, help.
Yeah, sometimes clothes and belongings represent a different version of ourselves. It's good to know that we can cherish that and still let the items go. Doing great. It's fine to have a few things to revisit later. Sometimes your brain needs to process things. As long as the not sure pile is in the minority, you're making progress.
Okay, so we have an empty box. Empty. Because some of these things will have to go somewhere else.
I decided to try on all of my maybe items throughout the week, and you know, the ones I swear I will wear someday. Yeah, well, turns out putting them on reminded me that this is just not me anymore.
I need to try the things that are on the maybe pile. This helped me a lot in purging. Let's get cracking. I love the idea of these hangers, but I find that if I put more than one on the hanger, when I take one out, the other one falls, and then I have like a pile of skirt at the bottom here. So I need to find a different system. Hopefully by decluttering what I have here, I'll make some space to have enough of those hangers because they're quite thick. Or Julie, do you have a solution for that?
I prefer the pant or skirt hangers that have a clip on either side. You get a bit more control when you release the garments. A little known fact is that you can actually use a regular hanger and use a clothes peg on each side.
From dress, I don't fit in it anymore, but I will keep it for my daughter because it's like a princess dress and I think she will eventually wear it.
Great to keep these kinds of items out of your prime closet space.
This one, however, I think I'm ready to let go. I've tried it a few weeks ago and I didn't like it. The last time I wore it was about 10 years ago. This I wear all the time. It's a keep for sure. Zara jacket I wore once. I need to try that one. Pink blazer, staple in my wardrobe. If you ask me, it's gonna stay. This one I wear all the time. Because it's quite summery at the moment, I might pop these into my outerwear wardrobe. Free some space here. Sequins is gonna stay, guys. Also a staple in my wardrobe. This I wear all the time but could go into the outerwear. stay. I don't like this one. I want a different one, a cute one. This is ugly and I don't like it. Staple. I had it for years. I wore it a lot, but I'm wondering if it's old me. I need to try it. I got it recently and I already wore it a lot, so it's gonna stay. This is gonna stay.
I love your decisiveness. You're doing great, Mia.
I have more skirts here. Let's see how many skirts we keeping. Bye. It is just very wintry, so it's gonna go in the box with the big jumpers. This one was my mom's. I need to try it because I don't think it fits me anymore. This is my husband's side and I'm not gonna touch it. Let's see if I can put the blazers onto thicker hangers now that I have space. Also, my husband is currently traveling. When he'll come back, he will have some shirts to put in this wardrobe. So the more space I can make, the better it is. Grab the spare hangers. I'm gonna get rid of those. I think it's a great solution, but actually they suck. I love how much space we have here. So I have heaps of spare hangers. Now we need to try on a few clothes. And here are my secrets up here.
Great opportunity to wipe those shelves. I had no idea soap deters pests. I'm going to use this tip. Thanks, Mia.
This is the last closet. As usual, I'm going to start from easiest to hardest. I feel like the easiest are those bags. These are hot rollers. I bought them 4 years ago. I've used them twice. It needs to go. All the bags I'm gonna keep. I just feel like I could have a better system for it. Julie mentioned the drawers that you could pull, so you can take the whole drawer out and see what you have. I do like to store them in the dust bag. For now, I'm only gonna take this out. Donation. Check that I don't have anything else at the back. This is the war zone. This is the part of the wardrobe that I use the most. Now I have 20 minutes before I need to do school pickup, so we need to declutter. Let's be quick and honest. Now, a tip that Julie gave me last time is if you don't love it and you don't wear it, then get rid of it. We are going to try our best to apply this tip here. Love it. Love it, love it. I know they're very similar. This one, don't love anymore. It's not me anymore. I don't like it. It can go. This one I'm gonna keep because it has like a puff sleeve detail that I love. It's also white, so it's like my simple shirt, but it has like a maximalist vibe to it. This one I have to try on because I haven't worn it in years. Polka dots are back in, so love that. It's nice for work. I like it. I love this top. It's not my favorite, but I wear it.
I love that all your garments and hangers face the same way. That soothes my soul.
This is my Pilates slash swimmer. I do Pilates 3 times a week, so I reach for whatever's in this drawer a lot, and most of it I'm gonna keep, that's for sure. I do have proud Brazilian gear ready to go for any event, any emergency. We have to wear our flag everywhere on our body, so I keep these just in case I need to be a supporter. Something has to go. Something has to just, it's not working.
You're more organized than you think. You have a workout drawer, which is ideal.
Last but not least, this is winter. This is huge and it's a set. And this will free most of the space.
This is my favorite part. It feels so good to remove items. How good is creating space? It means more clarity, and if we only have things that we love in our closet, getting dressed is a joy. We get our dopamine hit from acquiring something new, but conversely, it's also quite liberating to release things and curate our space. Well done, Mia.
Thank you, Julie, for giving me the push to actually declutter. So this quick closet declutter ended up taking me 4 days because apparently I can only clean in 5 minutes bursts between, life happening. Honestly, I am so happy with how it turned out. It took way longer than expected, but it's one step closer to having a wardrobe that actually works for me, not against me.